Pacing your video is very important. If we come onto our intro talking like Mr. Beast, but we're not delivering Mr. Beast level content, can you see how that can put some people off? If you start your video and you're like, today we're going to be sitting here talking about how to pace your video, and it's gonna be so exciting. And then we're gonna give you 3 tips on how to make sure that you're speaking at the right pace. It's like, it's not that exciting. It's exciting, but it's not that exciting. You know what I mean? So how do you correctly pace your video? It all depends on what you're talking about. Again, you want to imagine the audience that you're speaking to. Imagine they're all sitting out there watching you. You're on stage. How will you talk to them? How would they receive your message if you are speaking too quickly? If you're speaking too slowly? Will you lose their interest? Will you put them off? Imagine they're right there. They're right there in front of you. Now, let's go with the correct pace. The way that I'm talking to you right now, isn't that a lot better than talking like this? And then your audience is going to be watching you. So it's too much. We need to dial it down. We need to find our center, and we need to have the correct amount of energy. Now, if you're gaming or you're pulling pranks, then the energy is high because you're so excited. There's so much excitement. But if you're sitting here doing a talking head like I'm doing today, it may be a little bit much to be that over the top, depending on what you're discussing. You really have to gauge that yourself. Every single person will have a different pace depending on the topic of their video and how excited about it they truly are. When I talk about YouTube, I get excited. So in some of my videos, I may be a little over the top because I'm very passionate about YouTube. Very passionate. So passionate, in fact, I wrote a song about it. Now that's my biggest passion in life. But in order for me to grow that, I first have to learn these tips, these tricks, and then I will see results. Let's grow. Peace.